Hello all, welcome back to the report series. Right, in today's class we will see how to generate, how to integrate Allure reports with Cucumber. Right, previously we have seen how to integrate with Allure reports with the test engine. Now we will see with Cucumber how to integrate Allure reports. Right, for this first step, what we have to do? Right, first step we have to download Allure zip file. Right, from where we will get, I will provide these links in the description. Right, just you can open from there. Just we have to open this URL. You can download the zip file, extract it, extract the zip file. Right, once we extracted, we will get the bin file. This bin file we have to update in the environment variable. You can type how to open environment variable, press Windows button, type environment, it will come. Edit environment, just click on it, click on S and click on environment. Right, here path is there. We can add either system variable, user variable. Right, if we add user variable, it will be visible to currently logged in user only. System variable means for all users it will be used. Right, visible. Right, just click on the new and enter that right path. That's it. Click on OK, OK, OK. Close all those things. Any command prompt open, close that also. Right, that is the first step. Right, next step, just create the simple Cucumber project. Right, create the Maven project. Right, how to create Maven project you already know. Right, right click, new Maven project, give the create. Right, select the checkbox, create simple, then give the art group ID, artifact ID, click on the finish. That's it. Right, here then next step is it will create every Maven project means it will have a POM file. Right, we are working with a Cucumber means we have to add the Cucumber dependencies, Cucumber Java, Cucumber Core, Cucumber JUnit. Right, here important thing is Allure Cucumber 7 JV. Right, Allure Cucumber 7. How to get this dependency? Right, we have to go to Maven repository, search for Allure Cucumber 7. Right, it will come here. Just click on the latest one, copy, paste. Right, that's it. Is the main data one. First step we have to download the Allure report and right give the path in the environment variable. And second step create the Maven project, and in the Maven project add all the Cucumber Java, Cucumber Core, Cucumber JUnit, Selenium Java, and then Allure Cucumber 7 JV. Right, we need to add if you want to generate Allure reports. Right, then next feature files. Create simple feature file. Right, I have created simple login feature. Right, feature and the description of it, and then scenario successful login with valid credentials. We can add any tag here. Right, smoke regression login. Any name we can give ABC XYZ also, but some meaningful names. Right, login negative scenario. Right, login with invalid credentials. Right, first step is create any simple feature file. Then next step is step definition. Right, step definition. Just here I have taken in the before at the rate before, right, hooks, right, before and after hooks. Just I have created prompt driver and closed. Right, then each step, right, we have here different steps. Right, generate a step definition file. How to generate a step definition? Right, we can create one runner file run with Cucumber options. Here keep it as a dry run. Right, dry run equal to true. Now what will happen? Dry run equal to true means dry run equal to true. Right. Now if you run it, if you don't implement any step definitions here in this, right, it will automatically generate. Right. Suppose, right. So I will comment this step. Okay. Right. Now run it again. Let's see. You can just copy this stack trace, right? Then copy some notepad and take this. It will generate all the steps, right? Just create a step definition file, copy paste. That's it. Copy paste all the steps given when that, right? That's it. Right here, just in the hooks, I have created a driver and closed after. And in the first step, just if you want to add any steps to the Allure report, if you want to add any steps to the Allure report, allure.step, right? Launch the application. Any some meaningful description, right? If you want to take the screenshot, just I have created one method, right? First we have to take the screenshot. This we will know in Selenium how to take the screenshot, right? Driver.get screenshot output type. We can take base 64 bytes file. Anyone is fine. Here I have taken bytes. Then allure.add attachment. There is a method in the allure.add attachment, the screenshot name. Right, whatever name we will pass, screenshot name. Second argument, byte array input string. Right, byte array input string. Pass the bytes. That's it. Some reusable method. Then wherever I want, just call this take screenshot with provide some unique name, screenshot name. That's it. It will add a screenshot. Wherever I want a log, allure.step. Wherever I want a screenshot, allure.add attachment. Right, simple. Right, here I have provided just right. I have launched application. That's it. I did not done anything. Remaining all are empty only. Right, allure.step. Enter username password. Right, then create the feature file, create the step definition, then runner file. In runner file, important thing is first we have to give the feature files. Where our feature files? SRC test resources features. Glue code means step definition. Right, what is the folder name? Step definition. Folder name we have to give the plugin. Important thing is plugin. Right. What is the this plugin? io.qmeta.allure.cucumber7jvm Allure Cucumber 7. This is the plugin we need to add. Then only it will generate Allure report. Otherwise, it will not generate. It will not generate. Right. Okay. These are the steps we have to do. Right. What are the things in the POM file? First step is we have to download Allure zip file. We have to add environment variable. Then in the create the Maven project, add the dependency. Right. Add the dependency. Then create a feature file, step definition file, runner file, simple feature file. We can right then plugin. This plugin we have to Allure Cucumber 7 JVM. Then I will delete this old report. Right, let me run. No, there is no Allure results folder. Just right click on the runner file, run as JUnit test. Right, what happened? Right click, run as. Right, we have dry run true, right? See, it is a dry run true means, see, it is validating all the steps, step definitions are implemented or not. It is not running any scenarios. Right, just make to comment this one. Right, dry run just, otherwise dry run false we will make it. Right, then only it will run. If you forget it, it will not run. We will confuse about it why feature files are not running. Right now it will run. Right, I have two scenarios. One is positive login, one is negative login. Right, each scenario it will open the browser, just close it. Okay, second scenario. Right, you can take without any Selenium code also, just a sample, right, without writing anything also, just quickly we can execute and run it. Just I want to show you attachment, right, how to attach report while executing Selenium scripts, right? That's why just I have added. Right, now here Allure results. We got Allure results folder is generated. Now where is the report? Right, all are JSON files only. Right, for Allure results, what we have to do? We have to, right, we set the path in the environment variable, right? We have to give the command to generate the report Allure serve, Allure space serve space Allure results. Right, make sure spelling is correct. Right, otherwise it will not generate report. See, one more issue we got, Allure results does not exist because we are running from where is Allure results here, right? We need to change to this path first, right? Where the Allure results, right? Click, go to properties, right? Take the path of the project, right? Change to this directory where the Allure results, that folder we have to, right, we have to change to the our project. Then give the command Allure serve Allure results, then only it will generate, otherwise it will not. Right, it will open browser automatically once it is generated. Let's see, now it is generated successfully. Right, it is the overview, two test cases, we have two scenarios, right, 100% pass. Right, here environment details, category, executors, features by stories. Right, now category we don't have, suits. Right, we have two scenarios. Right, on top we have a something, see, order, we can sort it based on the number, based on the name of the feature, duration or status. And below are the some statuses with the right test cases based on the status, failed status, pass status, broken status. If we click on it, it will filter. Suppose if I click on it, I don't want to show test results with if we enable, it will show, otherwise it will hide. Right here, if we click on it, see, setup method, initialize driver, then screenshot. See, screenshot is attached here. Right, like this, it will show graphs, right, and then timeline, and then behaviors. Right, behaviors is like a feature file. Our feature file, it will both source and behaviors will show the same. Right, here see tags, negative. Now we have given some tags, right, on the feature file, negative login. Right, it will give here. Right, like this, it will generate the report. Right, but if you want to share this report, right, right, there is no report. If you see, there is no HTML file. How to share? We cannot share this URL because it should run. Server always run. It is your local host, right? You cannot share this also. Then how to, right, generate a report, shareable report, right? I want to generate a shareable report. For that, we have a one more command. Stop this server. Stop this server and copy. Okay. It's not copying. Allure generate hyphen single file. We have to generate a single Allure generate hyphen single hyphen file Allure results. By taking the Allure results folder, generate a, we are saying generate single file of the report. Ready, report generated successfully. Just refresh it, right click on the project, refresh. See, there is a one more folder, Allure report, right? HTML file, index.html. Right, we can share it this. Right, same thing. Right, in the single report, we can share this report to team. Right, fine. Like this, right, we can generate the Allure report. We can integrate with the Cucumber. Right, thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching and content presentation, please subscribe to the channel, enable red notification so that you will never miss out next videos whatever I will post. You will get immediate notification. Right, please like and comment. If you have any doubts or anything, please comment in the comment section. We'll reply to that. Thanks for watching.